Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to decrease icon size on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, smaller icons take up less space on your screen, allowing you to see more apps and widgets on your home screen. This can be especially useful for those who want quick access to a large number of apps without scrolling through multiple screens. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, you can press on any area of your device home screen. And then select the appearance menu and choose the icon size option. Okay, so to decrease the size of the icon on your device, you can slide the slider to the left. This action will effectively reduce the size of the icon displayed on your device home screen, allowing for a more customized and visually pleasing user experience. By adjusting the icon size to your preference, you can enhance the aesthetics and usability of your device interface according to your personal taste and needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to decrease icon size on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.